In this video, we're going to talk about how to create distribution landscape for small resorts with absolutely no cost involved. We're going to take some examples to understand this better. Imagine Satish is an owner of a small 10-room resort on a beach location. It's named Veer Beach Resort, or let's call it VBR from now on. All this while, he was relying completely on word of mouth through his close friends and family to recommend people to stay in this place. But that is not driving regular occupancy at this resort. He therefore reaches out to Casey and appoints him as his consultant, seeking his help to make sure that the resort is always occupied at the best possible rate. Casey says, great, we have a great product, but we should build a proper distribution model. The question is, what is distribution? Think about your favorite beverage. You love it since it is available when you're looking for one. It is available in shopping malls, in restaurants, in grocery stores, street side carts, and even at your house through Zepto, Dunzo, and Swiggy. This is the power of distribution, which merely means to make the product available throughout the marketplace where consumers are looking for it, such that they can buy it conveniently. And that is what all the major brands do, is that they make sure that they are available in all the shelves where traditionally their customers are looking for these beverages. So Casey takes a very simple approach. He goes back to his office and gathers his team and starts brainstorming. He starts by asking a question: which are the possible places would you venture if you wanted to buy a resort vacation? His team came up with answers such as the resort website, booking.com, Make My Trip, a travel agency, Facebook, Instagram, Google, YouTube, maybe call the hotel and book. So Casey now tries to group all the answers that came from his team into different quadrants. Firstly, he looks at direct channels, which primarily comprises of the resort website and the direct phone at the resort. The second one is indirect channels, which includes booking.com, Make My Trip, and such online travel agencies, and also the offline travel agencies. Under social media, he groups Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And also under search engine, he keeps Google and YouTube. Now, YouTube is featuring both on social media and search engine because it is also a very, very highly searched channel. Casey recommends that we should first work on the direct channels. And the first step towards that is to build your own website. You can start with the free version of Wix.com to build your website and then later upscale it with registering your own domain name, building it with an SEO foundation, and later adding e-commerce capabilities. The objective of this basic website now is going to be able to provide product information, pictures of the resort, information on the facilities available, phone numbers, Google Map, etc., which is good to go. Customers will primarily browse the website, use the phone numbers to call the resort and make reservations. He does not have to build on the booking engine and payment gateway capability right now, and that he'll achieve at a later phase. In the later phases, he will also start promoting his website through search engine marketing, display advertising, social media marketing, etc. Secondly, handle Google and social media. Getting listed on Google is very important. Start by creating a My Business page on Google. You can provide information about your business, tag your map, add pictures, and also divert traffic towards your website. You can see customer reviews and engage with them too once your business is set up on Google My Business. Customers who wish can call the resort directly to make bookings using the button available. Secondly, create a Facebook and Instagram business account. This is also quite easy. Just keep the relevant content, pictures, videos handy and go for it. The bonus is that you can provide information, engage with your customers on these platforms, divert them to your website to call and book, or using apps such as Messenger and WhatsApp, they can also engage and talk to you directly. You can also advertise in these mediums to increase awareness or book sales. The next important thing is to create your YouTube channel. YouTube is the best platform to host videos. And in this business of a resort, besides product videos, a lot of experience videos also gets created, either by the resort itself or by different users or content creators. And this is the best platform that's available to store, share, and promote content. Using call to action such as providing phone number to make reservation or diverting them to an online travel portal where your hotel is listed for online booking, you can drive sales too. Thirdly, start work on the indirect channels. You can start with the online travel agencies such as booking.com, goibibo, MMT. These are websites that are free and you only pay for the bookings that get generated through these platforms. They provide you adequate space to add hotel information, pictures, videos, different room types, and price. And you can also manage availability, that is availability of room types and price, through an extranet. The biggest advantage is that you get a comprehensive platform to represent your resort and generate sales for your business. The biggest disadvantage is that the cost of doing business is quite high. That is, you have to pay about 15 to 20% per booking value towards fees or commissions. For homestays, platforms such as Hire a Villa, Saffron Stays, Airbnb are also well known, and they provide similar capabilities like the online travel agencies. The next thing is to approach offline travel agencies. Agencies such as SOTC, Thomas Cook are quite well known for selling holidays and they specialize in these functions. If you approach the contracting division of these agencies, they're constantly looking at adding new products for their customers. They start including your resort in their proposal to customers and normally charge a fee of 10 to 15% for every booking that they generate. This way, you will also have distribution through offline travel agents. Therefore, Casey has helped Satish build a robust distribution platform for his resort. It is now available in a lot of shelves, each having a varied reach. He does not have to rely only on his friends and family recommending customers for this resort. His potential customers have a lot of sources to know of this resort and book it. Each medium has its own capability and costs. We will discuss more about distribution costs in another video to be able to generate the best profits from your sales. Now, just to summarize, distribution makes a product available throughout the marketplace where customers are constantly looking for it so that they can buy it conveniently. Each product or commodity we buy today is available to us because of the distribution model that these businesses have built. For resorts, we can build a distribution model using direct, indirect, search, and social media channels. Your own website is your direct channel, and online travel agencies or any travel agency for that matter is an indirect channel. Social media and search listings are important today to be visible to customers too. It's best to build distribution through all possible channels first, though each has a separate cost model. At a later stage, we can prioritize distribution through these channels or choosing those channels in which we need to be prioritizing our distribution so that we are more economical to operate. I have shared all the relevant links of websites I spoke about in the description below. Check that out. Thank you very much.